Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will see how we can update data tables whenever the record is get deleted from the front end. It's mean whenever we click on delete, the record is get deleted but not update on front end. And here in this video tutorial, we will implement this functionality. How? Click on F12. We need the specific row which is clicked, okay, and for that what we will do, we will simply call this whole row by calling class name dot parent will give us table row. Like this, you can see this is the table row, and right after this we will add dot remove function which will remove the specific row. If I will enter this, it will remove all the rows, and we don't want to remove all the rows but we want to remove the specific one, and for that we need to let it know that dot eq remove the first row only, and click enter, and the first record is get deleted from the front end. But not updated here. So for that, let's copy this code, and in the location we will add this, because when the success is done, this code will delete that row, okay, from the front end. It is already deleting the row from the backend. By this, it's execute the deletion on the front end. Now what we need to do, we need to draw the data table again when this deletion is happen. And how? We will use the draw API of data table, which give us the functionality to rebuild the whole database with the data, okay. Now what we need to do, first we need to find where is the data table is defined, okay. So data table is defined here. We need to create a global variable when document is get ready. Here is the where my table, my menu table, menu location table. So here is a global variable in which we will store the initialization of data table once, and which will get executed again and again whenever we need to update the record. So here this is the data table. Now what happened when the data is get deleted? We will draw the data table once again. And how we will do that? We will simply on delete, let's go to the, here is the delete part. We will say this dot order, then we need to order that with the ID which is available in the first row, having ACS ascending order dot draw. Now this will redraw that, sort by the column 1 and then redraw the table. By this we can sort and then redraw the table maintaining the current pagination position, okay. So come here, refresh it, and then click on delete when it's get ready for execution. So here, now click here, it does not, oops, we have a mistake here, which is that we don't need to place this because there are only one row each time available. Okay, now let's see what's happened. Even you can also search draw from API. In the documentation there is a proper information of draw, like you can search here draw, click here, and now click on this, and record is deleted but this is not updated. Okay, what we need to do, let's see, redraw the table. So here we need this. Okay, how it will do, okay, we don't need this code, we don't need this code. We can also do another methodology, which is that upon delete we will remove all the record, okay, and reinitialize that again, which is more easy and consume less time. Okay, how we can do that? Here is the table, and first of all we need to destroy the data tables. And how we can do that? Go and search for destroy. We need to destroy the data table, empty the data table, and then we will reinitialize the data table again. Okay, so where is the destroy API? This is the destroy API. We need to destroy the existing table matching the select and replace the new options. Okay, so we need this. Okay, it will destroy the current instance of the table. How it will do that? We need to search how we are declaring the data tables. We are initializing the data tables by this keyword here, and we will destroy it. Okay, so here in this part we will not remove this, we will simply call this destroy. So it will destroy the data table. Then we will initialize the table again, but how? We will copy this whole AJAX call, which will initialize the data again, like this. Okay, now we are going to destroy this. Then we need to empty this table. So after destroying it, make sure it is empty so that new data can easily render. Okay, now refresh the application and perform the same procedure again. Now I hope when I will click on delete, it will rebuild the whole table. Click this, the table is get there but not created again. So we need to make sure that it will update. Let's add some records, and here we have some records. When we click here, it will delete the whole instance. Okay, which we don't need to do. We need to simply, let's see, here we are deleting the data, making empty the table, but we need to make sure to empty the t-body. Okay, now refresh the application, not enter this, and inspect the code of t-body and see what's happened. We only need to delete the row, and by which you can see that how it's possible. now make it deleted, and now 1 2 3 4, and now you can see that I am going to delete this record, it is built, this record it is built, and this record it is built. Now you can see that how we have developed the delete code and manipulating the data tables to make sure that whenever the record is get deleted, it will show the real-time data on the visualization. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorial regarding ASP.NET development. Take care, bye bye, have fun.